Good evening once more. So this is inside our program, one of the best services we've got. It's a blogging service. So you use WordPress and there is loads of plugins that are worth thousands of dollars, and I've actually started promoting a blog. I'm going through a 30-day course. It's really just promoting this type of blog, which is how I started a small online business through COVID. So when you become a member, then these are all the steps that you must take. And it's really just about the blog and not so much the service, but to really take a look at our business and really consider having your own blog, your own website, because I was put off posting my blog on Facebook, thinking blocked or something like that, or the same with Pinterest or Instagram or even YouTube, the platform we're on, because we're playing by their rules. So this is your own website, so you can, within reason, you're going Google's rules, but there's a lot more control that you have having your own website. So please consider it, and we'd love to see you on Insight. Bye bye for now.